Hi guys, ayan. Let's unbox this House of Little Bunny bag. Ano to? One of the trending bag from Bangkok, Thailand. Yes, because it's genuine leather. So, lagay ko na lang dyan sa kung saan ko in-order to. Yes. Ito yung mga trending bag, diba? Yan, thank you sis. Thank you sis Estelle sa mga freebies. Yan, yung mga freebies tayo, diba? Yes, freebies. Diba? Thank you sis. Yan. Ano siya? One of celebrity in the Philippines wear this bag. Oh, it's nice, diba? It's genuine leather. Diba, nakakasyala siya. Amazing. Kapainis. I don't remove the plastic. Yes. Little bunny. Leather na leather talaga siya. Diba? Oh. Siya. Ayun yung inside niya. Diba? It's genuine leather. Real leather. Yan. Made in Thailand. Yes. This comes with the leather. Yan. Meron pang ganito. So we're gonna try it. Naku, bag na naman po. Sabi ng asawa ko, bag na naman, Loti. Diba? Nakakasyala siya. Oh, panis. Oh, diba? Oh. It's you can put long strap to. Ayan. Pasensya na ng aking tiyan. Malaki. Ganda niya. It's nice quality. Para siyang it's look like a Celine bag, but this is Little Bunny. Ay, House of Bunny. House of Little Bunny house. Ayan pala. House of Little Bunny. Diba? May kasama pa siyang ganito. Tsaka may scan code pa siya. Because I think you could check if it's genuine or not. Yes, that one. Then we're gonna try this strap. Ano ba ito? Diba? May strap pa siya. Diba? Bongga. Sa mga mahilig dyan sa mga bags, order na kayo kay Sis Estelle. It's worth your money because it's real genuine bag. Oh. Diba? Pang OOTD. Siya lang. Tapos, yes. Siyempre, parisan niyo pa ng shoes. Shoes na. Thank you, sis. Diba? Thank you, sis. Oh. Manshala yung shoes. Hindi ko pa siya susuotin. Tsaka na. Sino pa lang. Unboxing lang natin. Diba? Mukha pang yayamanin. Oh, look at that. It's look like expensive though. But it's not. It's pag nag-order kayo sa kanya, it's only 38 pound. This sandals. But look. It's nice. Diba? Hingin ng anak ko. Thank you sis sa mga freebies. Yan. I always order to her. Diba? Ito pa. I think, lagyan mo siya pang design over here. Diba? Look at that. It's nice. It's a nice bag.